Hello viewers, for today's tutorial I have taken a can and a tissue paper and I am going to paste the tissue paper on it by using the water and glue mixture. I'm going to let it dry now. After it's dried, I've taken these popsicle sticks and I'm going to paste them on the can like this. I trimmed off the extra portion of the sticks and I'm now gluing them again. It's all done, I've covered it all around. Now I've taken pink fluorescent paint. I'm putting more paint on the top of the can and making it lighter as it comes to the middle. I'm using green color, lighter green color for the popsicle sticks. Now I'm using lighter paint to highlight the texture which we got from pasting the tissue paper on the can. I'm going to let it dry. After it's dried up, I'm going to take a piece of lace and glue it to the bottom. I have this pearl sheet. I'm going to glue it on the top side like this. The colors from below will still be visible. I made these roses using foamy clay. I'm going to attach it on it. Taking a white glitter foaming sheet, I'm going to cover the inner side of the can. It's all done. Thanks for watching my tutorial. If you like my video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you got any type of question, you can ask in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more latest ideas.